Welcome to Scuti Career Cafe. In the last couple of years, UIUX has become a buzzword in the mobile app, web and software development arena. Not just that, UIUX designers have been commanding a premium over even developers. So in this episode, I'll try to explain what exactly comes under UIUX. First, let's try to understand these terms. So UI design stands for user interface design, while UX design refers to the term user experience design. Both elements are crucial to a product and work closely together. But despite their professional relationship, the roles are quite different. Where UX design is a more analytical and technical field, UI design is closer to what we refer to as graphic designs, though the responsibilities are somewhat more complex. Now let me talk about UI. It's what users interact with directly, everything they see, touch and hear within a piece of software or a website. It is the outermost layer of an app, the controls. Creative and beautiful designs, fonts and sounds are key elements of UI. In its current state, due to the types of devices we are using, UI design is mostly a visual display. Although voice and written words are gaining more and more traction thanks to voice assistants and conversational interfaces. Now come to UX. It's a holistic term encapsulating each and every different kind of experience a user has with the product. It is the process of development and improvement of quality interaction between a user and all facets of an application. Here the focus is to create customer satisfaction by improving the workflow, ease of use, and to make interaction between the customer and the product a pleasant experience. Now, which needs more attention? Truth is, they are like our two eyes. Both are equally important. Let me recall a quote by Helga Moreno. Something that looks great but is difficult to use is exemplary of great UI and poor UX, while something very usable that looks terrible is exemplary of great UX and poor UI. So you see, they both are crucial. And while there are millions of examples of great products with one and not the other, imagine how much more successful they might have been when strong in both fields. These skills get you jobs that pay you really well. Now, time to master these skills. I wish you all the best. And I will explain the basic skill set, training and tools that help you become a good designer. Do subscribe to our channel to get guided by experts.
Do you wish to join this course? To get connected with the best trainers and training companies, visit the link.